Expert advice on how to provide gold. Gold trading has sparked the interest of a lot of potential investors of late, largely due to difficult economic times many have faced. Sadly, many folks jump into the gold markets before they are aware enough to produce good choices. The subsequent information will help you learn all you have to find out about gold. You might balk in the high cost of gold, making you select gold-filled or gold-plated items. You are able to acquire gold jewelry from numerous sources at a reasonable price. Pawn shops provide great discounts. Always look into the up-to-date market price for gold prior to deciding to seek your gold jewelry. It will help you discern whether you're on offer a good price or not. Although there are lots of honest gold dealers around, additionally, there are those that will endeavor to provide you with much less than it is worth. Once you buy gold for another, make certain it has a refund policy. You need a guarantee on any gold you acquire. It is usually best to get the value appraised before you decide to accept an offer. Consider giving gold money a go for gold purchases. It really is a lot like starting a gold banking account. You just sign up to your account, fund it, and then you will be assigned gold. The gold resides in the bank. Following that, it is possible to market it or do a variety of other activities from it. It is vital that you realize the gold market prior to try to sell any. See what other people are bidding for gold items comparable to yours. That permits you to get a sense of the marketplace value. Always start a bit higher than what you are actually hoping to get, therefore you have room to barter. When at the gold party, talk with a rep about how precisely they are the determination about the carats of your jewelry being offered. Products are usually stamped. But in other cases, there isn't any mark of visual cue, hence the reps have other alternatives for determining it. Acid testing is definitely a simple approach to assess carat quality. When you see this process being employed, it's possible that the tester is really a relative newcomer. Always read any fine print on your contracts. If you decide to sell your gold through among the numerous mail and gold purchasers, carefully browse the small print before selling your gold. It will help you recognize what you will need to pay in fees and commissions. Have jewelry appraised before selling it as a scrap gold. You may have pieces that happen to be worth a lot more than how much they weigh in gold because of historic or artistic value. Appraisals cost money, but often are an excellent investment. They can even offer you a reference to your buyer. Earring backings are frequently solid gold, regardless if the earrings will not be. Many rings and clasps for bracelets and necklaces are gold too. If you wish to sell these, though, you need to get quite some of them together so it will be worthwhile. This is a lot of different gold pieces in quantity and will help you to have more money for them. Don't sell your gold until you should do so. Gold prices keep going up, and it's high at this time. Nevertheless, it might rise a lot more. You will get more from the gold if you make it for many years. When you are selling gold, sort your gold pieces by their value in carats. Separating means you make the most money for the carats that you own. The higher the gold content, the more effective the cost. Doing a bit of research into any potential gold buyer is a good way to both protect your interests and score a great deal. This really is vital if you're working with a mail-in company which is from another state. Companies purchasing gold are typically listed with the BBB. You may see any complaints filed here. Investigate your seller's buyback policy. Some gold buyers may charge premiums and fees to accomplish business. Think about the extra charges concerning sending gold of all types to different geographical locations. Being around the safe side, you shouldn't buy gold and allow the dealer to keep your hands on it. When you are melting down some gold jewelry, you may get the gems back which are embedded in piece before selling. The seller may not be able to eliminate them easily if the gems are small, though. Many dealers usually do not appreciate small gems while they have zero value after being melted down. Make certain that the dealer groups and weighs the numerous carats of gold separately. Jewelry by using a higher carat weight contains more gold. Thus, mixing top quality weights with lower ones will definitely minimize the final price. Separating each type of gold will guarantee you maximum benefit money for your gold. Buy your gold appraised to ensure that you receive the very best deal. Yes, getting an appraisal on the gold pieces does cost money. The appraisal fee is worth it mainly because it assists you to receive the best price. If you intend on buying or selling gold from individuals and merchants, it is advisable to buy a quality scale. Some stores could possibly have scales, nonetheless they is probably not really good ones. A scale isn't a huge expense, and it will surely purchase itself as time passes. The purity of gold affects its value. A 24-karat gold item is 99.9% gold, that is almost pure gold. 22-karat gold is 92% pure. It could go only 9 carats, which isn't worth greatly. Be familiar with the marketplace. Gold prices fluctuate, so read about the market before visiting a shop. Try and sell only by using an up day in order that you will make a few more dollars. Many people are excited to make a lot of money with gold. Frequently, though, they do not possess enough information to achieve success. Hopefully, you have just learned what you ought to know to get started on making an investment in and profiting from gold.
GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL below.